Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can change password on Zoom. So in this case, log into your Zoom account from any browser or web portal, not Zoom application. So go here, Zoom login. Then you can see here sign in option. Click on sign in. Now right here your email address and password and login or sign in. After signing in, you'll find here profile option. Click on profile. Then scroll down. And you'll find here password. Wait. So you can see here sign in email, and this is your sign in password. So if you are to change this sign in password, click on edit, and you have to put here your old password, and you have to write here your new password. After putting old and new in this character, at least 8 characters, one at least letter, one at least number for this combined password. After completing your password, click on save and changes. Save changes, and your password will be changed. Okay guys, so this is how you can change your password in Zoom. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.